Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment on the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very popular app in metros, that is Super Deli. How to subscribe items in Super Deli app. Well, the Super Deli apps usually deals with daily milk, groceries, bread, eggs, etc. for our daily needs. Well, during this period it has become very popular because of home delivery of product. It is very simple and easy. So let us see how to subscribe to various products using Super Deli. For all other things like how to create an account, how to use Super Deli features, we'll be making further videos for that as well. So for here we'll see how to subscribe it using Super Deli app. So first of all, you have to just open it. If you haven't installed the Super Deli app, you can install it by using Google Play Store. You can see this is the icon of Super Deli, and this is the thing that you have to install into Google Play. For now I have already installed it. I'll just open my Super Deli app. And once I do that, here you can see this window will come up. Once this comes up, you can see a lot of things appearing on your screen. For example, I want to subscribe some bread items. I'll go to bread. When I go to bread, I will go for this Spencer. You can either go for single delivery, like add 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you can do, or else subscribe. Subscription means regularly it will go on giving you the items on your planned date, or regularly on your those weekdays that you have chosen the item to be delivered. So I'll just press subscribe here against this product. I'll just subscribe. Once I do that, this page will show up. It will ask for like first quantity, how many quantity of bread you want, then repeat how many times per week it will repeat, like every Tuesday, I will just I'll go back, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, or you can go for alternate days, or even you can go daily. For example, I will just, if I click this, these are blank days, means on these days it will not deliver. So I don't need bread daily, so 2 to 3 days it is okay for me. So I'll then confirm. So I press daily, all things will be green. Weekdays, Saturday, Sunday will be off. Saturday, Sunday will be blank. Weekends means all other days will blank. So this is how you can subscribe and recharge or top up. So once it is by default taking 30 deliveries. Like if you choose 2 to 3 times, or if you, for example, you choose daily, then 30 deliveries, that is almost a month, it will repeat your orders. So you can choose your deliveries as well. So minimum is 6, 15, 30 and maximum is 60 deliveries. So for example, if at all you choose 3 deliveries per week, so it will run up to 10 weeks if you choose 30 deliveries. So this is how it works. So you can select start date, while start date could be tomorrow, or you can choose some other dates as well, or during this 7 days you can choose any day to start this program of subscription. And this is how you do subscription. I'll show you. I have already subscribed to some items. I'll show you how I deal with those subscription. I have already exhausted the deliveries of those subscription, so I'll show you how to go about it. So to see, as you can see in this window, one subscription is ending. It is showing. To see what are your subscription, you have to just click here in this 3 bars. Here you can see my subscription, the first tab or the first icon, the first tab of the first menu, my subscription here. I'll just click here. Once I do that, these are my subscriptions. So you can see the details of the subscription given below, like quantity per day 2, deliveries left only 1, quantity remaining 2 approx, subscription balance is 50 rupees. So all the details of my milk subscription is shown here. Similar way, this bread subscription is also shown here, like Spencer bread, quantity per day 1, deliveries, it has already ended. You can see deliveries left, all things are ended. So it is showing me to restart now. The subscription has ended. Here you can see still approx 1 deliveries are still left, so I can recharge this. And here as well, the subscription has ended, deliveries left 0. So I'll do one by one. I'll recharge the subscription. Like I need milk every time, so I'll go for 30 deliveries. And I have programmed every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday I get 2 packets of milk. So I'll go for 30 deliveries, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 deliveries per week. 30 means almost 7 to 8 weeks I'll get if I choose this 30 deliveries period. So if I want to edit subscription, I can go here and edit my subscription as well, frequency and number of packets or quantity per day. I won't do that. I'll just go back. I'll proceed to cart now. So it is taking me to the cart. Okay, you can see in the cart there is something called 60 packets. Since 30 deliveries per day I get something like 2 packets. It's asking me 60 packets. I'll go back. I'll go to now the bread thing as well. I'll just restart this. Once I restart, it will ask me for number of deliveries. So bread is like Monday and Friday, 1 packet each. So I'll go for 15 deliveries. Once I do that, I'll proceed to cart. So bread is also done, and edit deliveries, this paneer. Again, I have to recharge this paneer. Paneer is only for Sunday. So I will like go for 6 deliveries. I'll proceed 1 packet to cart. So I have edited all my deliveries here. You can see all the things that I regularly use or regularly consume in my home. Now it will automatically calculate all those things. So total number of deliveries for my subscription may be adjusted in future as per market rates. So if the rate increases or decreases, it will adjust in that number of deliveries for subscription. So it is asking, it has calculated already 600, 1538 to add like 2640 to my super wallet, the wallet of Super Delhi Super Wallet. So I'll just add 2640 to Super Wallet. Once I do that, my subscription will get live. So here the options you can see: wallet balance, super credits. I'll come to super credits in another video, but for now I'll just tell you how to subscribe in a simple manner. Preferred payment, pay using UPI. Here you can see UPI, credit card, debit card, wallets are also available like PayZapp, PhonePe, Ola Money, Freecharge, net banking. All these options are available. So I'll just go for credit debit card because I get points through that as well. So once I select credit debit card, add, okay, it is asking me to add credit or debit card. I'll just click here. I have to enter all the credit card numbers, everything, as you can see in any other app as well. So I'll do that. So my order is placed successfully. My subscription is renewed. Are you enjoying your super? Yes, I am. Not now. Okay. So you can see, you can view and manage all your upcoming orders here. Like Thursday, no orders for this day. I'll just go back now. So I'll see my subscription once again. You can see here it is showing like 3 active subscription instead of 1 ending. My subscriptions. So all my subscription has become active instead of recharge or restart. All the subscription, you can see everything is active. So friends, this is how you subscribe to various items, groceries, milk, etc. in Super Delhi. So follow this step as I have shown in this video for easily subscribing to various items on Super Delhi. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this video was useful for knowing how to subscribe through Super Delhi. If you found this video useful, please do like it and share this across various platforms. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel Infotainment, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.